cold. You see me wrap up? Yeah, man, it's cold bad, man. But, yo, it's a blessing. It's a blessing to be on the road. It's a blessing to see different culture. It's just a blessing to be there, so believe me. A youth from South, my dream was to see the world, you know what I mean? When we were in primary school and them show me the globe and then say, I want to go yassa, I want to go yassa, I want to go yassa, I want to go yassa. Only Jah couldn't tell me, say, my prayers would answer from them time, you know what I mean? So I'm there, so now, I'm going to enjoy it, you know, because I'm going to show no one. Ready? I've never got the chance, really, you know what I mean? Just sit back, relax, and check out the Eiffel Tower myself. You know what I mean? So guess what now? This is gonna be epic, this is gonna be history for me and about you. So enjoy through my eyes as, you know what I mean, we just do it. Ready? Let's go. You're locked power. Go.
I press the button.
Huh?
Press the button, blue one.
Yeah. Oh, there. Yeah, if you know me excited, you have no idea. Where we go, Tony? Where we go? Yeah. You see? See there. How much years now? Eh? See them on. Yeah. You know what? I won't sing with him, but I'm gonna let the man work, you know what I mean? Leave the man to him job, you know what I mean? Yeah. Only man will like King Selassie, yeah, Rasta for us. Let's go.
See a boring man in our talk.
Yo. You see what I see a while ago? Hey, I wonder if you understand.
What you see a while ago?
Eh? The Eiffel Tower.
So that's a long time, man.
Yeah. But guess what now? We're there so I can enjoy the scenery. Because, you know, the ambience is very good. You know what I mean? France is a place where you have to just, you know what I mean? It's not see. It's not what you see. It's we. You know what I mean? So let's go. Yeah man, you don't know a thing though. Can you see it? You know what I mean? Don't give up on your dreams, you know what I mean? No matter where you come from, if you want a small little era. Never you say you can't do it. Never say you will never do it. Can you see that? Right just out there, you know what I mean? I hold it off. Youth from South, youth from Jamaica, Westmoreland, Savlamar, you know what I mean? Yeah. See it over there. We are dream. Yes, we have to make it. We not gonna fake it. Cause we take it from my heart and my soul. Yeah, we not go stray. You know, sister, mama still a pray. Fi protect me from the evil day to day. Yeah. We are here for a reason. Yeah.
lose to France. Number one. After all these years in France, we love France. We love Italy, we love France.